Hello, all you cool cats and kittens. Today, we're gonna be working on the Genesis again. I know. Been putting a little more content out with the old Genesis. Here she is, all tucked away in here. Because I heard we're supposed to get some hail. I don't have insurance on this yet. I mean, it's not brand new, but when it sits for winter, it's fire and theft, not regular insurance. Anyway, I didn't want any hail damage. Even though it wouldn't matter, because I got a dent there, 2 dents back there. You know, but I don't want to add any more dents, is what I'm trying to say. Today, we're going to do it. We're going to do the thing. I just got the modules for the taillights. So that way, the LEDs are the turn signals now instead of the halogen. No halogen, all LED. Came with the old resistor. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested. And another big project today, which ain't really that big, but it was big for me, is I got the exhaust fixed. It's not on the car though. That's what we're going to do today. Let's go take a look at it, shall we? Anyway, remember the Volvo? Here it is. Here's the exhaust. So it had broke right after the resonator. This exhaust is expensive. This is a ISIS, I believe, or an ISR. No, I had to put the badge back on, so we'll see that in a second. But had a, I wouldn't say a buddy, but a gentleman that I know that knows how to TIG. He says it was very hard to TIG because of all the carbon inside from the exhaust, from the soot. It's like caked in there. But it's all sealed up, looks great. Great price. I had him cut these, the 2 off because I'm changing it up. We're going just straight 3-inch out the old boom tube. I had him weld this back on too. ISIS Performance. That's who made the exhaust, and it was really expensive, but we're just gonna run the 3-inch out the back. And yeah, as soon as my cameraman gets here, my buddy, my one friend, we don't really hang out that much, but I said, hey, you're not doing anything. I think he messaged me first. I'm like, yeah, come along. So you'll get to see my face more in this video. Isn't that exciting? No. So yeah, just 2-bolt flange, a couple hangers, and we'll have this back on the car, and then we'll put the taillight mod in. Which the modules, they're not really, I mean, they are modules, but this is what they look like. They just plug into your factory harness, and then you have your optional brake. This turns the other turn signal into a reverse light. So you have 2 reverse lights per tail light, which I thought was pretty cool. Utilize that bulb. Gotta change the LEDs though, because the load draw on that circuit, it's a little high. Look what the cat drug in. Whoa! Anyway, I was just telling them about these modules. They're not really... I broke these apart to see how they were doing it. And they're it's way past my pay grade, so I just bought them. 40 bucks. Anyway. Ready to do this thing? Mm-hmm. Cool. Well, we're gonna get the car jacked up first. I pulled it inside because I was afraid of hail. Fix the latch.
Yeah, I had to pull my car in the shop earlier today.
Did you have it in there?
Yeah.
Now, who in their right lay off the fucking cheeseburgers?
Love me some Big Macs, buddy.
Yeah, I do too. You see that? Wow. Okay, we're gonna jack this thing up. That thing. And get the going on that exhaust. This is one of the cleanest floors I've ever been on, honestly. Super clean. I don't like doing the pinch weld anymore because it likes to cave.
Ah, yes.
For some reason. We'll go right on the frame. I don't want to slip off there. That happened one time before and went through the radiator and the cooler. That was fun.
Sounds miserable, actually.
It was. The radiator and... Once the jack moves, it goes up. Which it's not. That means it's staying with the car and not sliding. Go, Jack, I'll pick my fat ass under there. That's like a pop. All can go to the floor. Oh, something slip off. So it's probably high enough there. See if the jack stands will fit under there. Maybe a little more, but I don't want it to slip off.
Dude, just bench press it.
I could. Can you just go a little more, please?
What was it? Your weight 274?
Yeah.
You got it.
Think so?
Heartbeat.
Oh, God. Oh, look at that, plenty.
Beautiful.
274, I'm a thick boy. Daddy. Well, we're kind of in a pickle.
How close is it? Oh, you're still all the way on.
Just a hair more.
Yep. Just a tickle.
There, nothing to be worried about. Easy. Is that one on the pinch weld all the way?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, it is.
It runs all the way back, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. Yeah, it runs all the way back here.
Okay. Give it a little wiggle.
Shake test.
On the pain.
Cave in the fender.
All right, now we'll grab the boom tube. I like the GoPro light. That works out well.
Mm-hmm.
Of booms. Hopefully my marks were okay. I'll grab the new gasket.
ISIS Performance.
I haven't put that on there. Oh, the old tip. Oh, I cleaned the trunk out.
It came off the dual tip?
It came off that tip over there. I had them just put it on that one. Look at that. Oh, portable fire extinguishers.
Is that so how you know how to use it when your car catches on fire?
Yes.
Ah,
This is.
I might need that manual.
This car has caught on fire once. That's why that's there.
My GTI's caught on fire.
That's the one
once.
I used. I just recharged it. I'm excited to have this thing back on the car instead of it right here. It's
Super droney.
yeah. I don't know if you could tell. It hung down below the car.
Did he mess with the mounting brackets at all? No.
Nope. Oh, here we are. Put that on the jack stand. There's the bolts. I was trying to see what the other hanger was, but oh, there it is. Okay, it's still there. These nuts. Look at all the soot and oil. Every single car I've ever owned or modified, it's just me working on them. They just leak oil for whatever reason.
Yeah. It's just natural undercoating, bud.
It is. This car is super clean, by the way. You ever notice that?
Yeah. No.
Ain't got a lick of rust on her. Ain't never will either. All right, here's the fun part. You trying to record and helping me put this on. Actually, if we just get it in the hangers.
Jack stand mount.
I like that. Work it, baby.
Maybe. I need some lube. It's a pain to start, but once you get them to go, brother, they go.
Yeah. You could use your natural lube. Spits on it.
Ugh.
Did it work though? Kinda?
Like a glove.
Nice. There's one more right here. Yep. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, we're okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You bolt that thing up, should be good.
Where'd the gasket go? There the gasket is.
Gasket.
Firmly grasp it. Oops. Ain't no gosh dang exhaust leaks here, I'll tell you what. This was an expensive exhaust, so I really wanted to get it repaired instead of buying a new one.
Okay.
Oops, missed the hole.
Right through there.
Alright, there's a couple threads on there. Get the top on. Where is it?
I think your gasket's rolling.
I think, is it in? We've got it pretty firmly grasped.
So we're getting some thread started.
Mm-hmm.
She's not starting.
Need a little more threadage.
Yeah.
Oops.
There goes a washer.
You may just have to delete the washer.
Possibly.
I got other bolts over there we could use, maybe.
What goes on with... Oh, maybe not. Oh, it does go on without the washer. Unless you want a different bolt.
Nope. That requires some more work and me getting off the ground, and I don't want to do that.
Valid.
Oh, stuck to the wrench.
Oh, look at that. Beautiful lighting.
Is that going the right way? I can't tell. Backwards and upside down. Gotta make sure they're taut.
Yeah.
Okay, just before it breaks, we're struck.
Remember, make sure you go till it cracks, and then back it off 2 turns.
Is that it?
Yeah.
That seems like it was way too easy. Okay, now this is the true test. We have to see how it sits back there. If I don't like it, well, it's gonna have to stay, because Hunter, take a peek first. I don't want to look at it yet.
That ain't bad.
He says it ain't bad.
It ain't bad.
Let me see for myself.
Really not that bad.
Oh, not bad at all. You guys want to see? Boom. No, I think it looks good.
I dig it.
I kind of wish it, I mean, I'm just nitpicking at this point. I wish it was just tucked up a little more, but I think if it was, it'd burn the plastic. So that may be just fine. It looks weird because of the way the factory exhaust was, it fit inside of that little hole there, but I like it. Let me fire it up.
Oh yeah. You're real. Oh, kind of cold start.
All the oil is to the left side of the pan.
That's okay. What side's your oil pump on? beautiful. It's got one up here up top.
It does?
Yeah.
Bad?
Not bad, but it's here and here. Listen.
That's weird.
Can you see the gasket move? Put your hand under there. You can feel it.
Oh yeah. Huh. We could loosen those bolts and bring that flange down a little bit.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking.
Alright, I'll shut it off.
She is sounding beautiful. Oh yeah. Yeah, let's rev it up so we can touch the hot exhaust.
I mean, that's not really good. If you like the four-cylinder sound, I'll just boom
Yeah.
and watch my page and be like, ah!
This is, I like the way this sounds compared to my car, to be honest
Yeah,
with you.
it just has a resonator. That's it. Well, the turbo too. But
Yeah, mine's just straight piped and stupid obnoxious. And I hate it.
They sell those resonators, and that guy, if it's titanium or not titanium, stainless exhaust, he can burn it in for you. He does really good work. The only issue is he had on this was it was full carbon on the inside. The carbon was bubbling up through the weld. That's why he said it's a little tricky to weld, but he got it.
You don't even see it.
Huh?
You don't even see it though with it sitting there.
Right.
I mean, you really just got to look at it.
Yeah.
He did a good job.
He really did. And keeping that angle was key. That's what I really
Yeah.
wanted. This is a bolt right there. That's where I went last time, so it couldn't slide. It's in that hole. Yeah. Exhaust is sealed up. Just have to move the flange a little bit. All right, that was fun. Now we get to see what these taillight mods are all about. We'll clean this stuff up after we're done with our project. It doesn't matter left or right. So we should be able to just there. That should be it.
Quick
Let's
little
see.
test.
Still got the running lights.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
Look.
So before, this is what it looked like. So this gives it a more modern look than that.
That's sweet.
I like that a lot. Just plug and play. 40 bucks, get you two of them, 20 bucks a piece. What a deal. Hard to find deals nowadays. Same thing on this side. Now we have to find our reverse light wire, and they sent these in the kit. Scotch locks, although I thought these had a female spade. I got two other ones. Let me go look at these. We got to run to the auto parts store anyway to get some LEDs for these turn signals, because now the turn signals have became our reverse lights. And they say you don't want to run the old halogen bulb, because of overloading the circuit. So while we're there, I'm going to look for some Scotch locks that have the female connector, because what I'm talking about is this goes around the wire just like that. Wait. Yeah, it goes around the wire like that, and then this plugs into it. I don't think, maybe this is how this works. It is. Okay, I'm just dumb. So when you close this around the wire, your male slides into this here. Okay, noted. I've never seen one like that before, but it shall work. Oh, I don't know where the reverse light of the turn signal's at. Down here. Hello? And that's going to be our gray wire, I believe. Could get a test light and test it, but why? We got our LED bulbs, just like that. Stick those in there. Again, these are just for the reverse lights. Well, and now we're just going to put our splice in this yellow wire right here. I hate using Scotch locks, but they're okay in this situation. I need a pair of pliers. Connection's been made, and we should be able to just plug this in. Oh, maybe. How did our tab get bent up? Okay, now we should be able to just plug this in. That should be it. Let's see if it works.
Ooh, buddy.
Double whammy.
Mm.
Yeah, looks good to me. And we'll just do the same on the other side. Other side.
Other side?
Oh, they're still on?
Yeah. Are they off now?
Yeah.
These bulbs are actually really nice.
Those ones?
Mm-hmm.
Tuck our guts back in. Very expensive cover.
Mm-hmm.
You can tell that the fact that just throw something in there. Doesn't matter what it is. All right, well, I think that's going to do it for this video. I'm going to grab something to eat. I'm hungry. But thanks for Hunter, the cameraman. There he is, for recording this one. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.